I'm trying to create monster teeth for our porch to have a monster house for Halloween. So I'm going to use these pool noodles. And so, in case anybody else goes through this, what I figured out. So now this is the little where I'm going to cut here. So I can get the maximum amount of tooth. So I go up on one side and it goes down. So now this is the tip of the other tooth. And I'm going to cut that with the razor blade. And these cut like butter. Let me show you. So it just whips through. So it's no big deal. See how easy that is? Okay, I didn't do a real smooth job because I was holding a phone. But so now I've got two teeth. Not really, but two forms. So now I'm going to wrap it with foil. And then after I wrap it with foil, I'm going to wrap it with masking tape. And I'll see what I do with it after that. I might do Monster Mud on it. I might do epoxy to make it shiny, but I want to keep them lightweight. Now, if I want to seal these, I found that you can use a heat gun carefully because it melts just really fast and just disintegrates into nothing. But I could melt and squeeze this together, but then you need something there so you don't get your fingers burned. So that's where I am. Okay, so I'm figuring this out as I go. So I take suggestions, by the way, but now see how this is not curved? I did it a different way on these ones. I actually melted it into place. But this is what I'm doing. I cut a slit here and it needs that curve, right? So I'm gonna pull it and then tape that down, and then it should have the curve I want. If I don't, I'll just repeat.